Hi guys, my name is Alissa. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a Sunday reset vlog. I wanted to do one of these. I saw a few of my favorite YouTube vloggers making one and I was like, I want to do one. So a Sunday reset for me is really just resetting for the new week. It's not necessarily health focused, goal focused. It's more of just getting all my ducks in a row for the Monday work week. So you've seen in this vlog, I did a nice morning workout. I had a protein smoothie. I then get my groceries. I make a really yummy dinner, relaxing and watching one of my favorite shows. That's a perfect Sunday reset for me. So I wanted to preface the vlog by saying that, and I make some really, really good recipes in this vlog. So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Join the family, support my channel. It would mean so, so much to me. And let's continue on with the reset. I want to show you guys some of the things I picked up. I think I mentioned that I try to budget each month, each 15th of the month, to purchase some things, whether that be clothing, skincare, beauty things, and this time it was definitely clothing. So starting first with what I got from H&M, picked up these satin pajamas. Always wanted satin pajamas, and I love long sleeve, long pant pajamas. I like the piping on here as well, and H&M was doing 20% off the entire site yesterday, the 13th, so it seemed like the smart move. The other piece I got, probably didn't need it, let's be honest, because there's rips in it, but I got these ripped light wash boot cut jeans. They do look kind of similar to the Zara ones, but the Zara ones, the wide leg, I tried them on, they looked clownish on me, so definitely did not want to get those. I got my true size 4. Anything high rise in H&M, I'm a size 4. I find it fits pretty snug. Then picked up some cozies from Forever 21. I know, it's weird how I'm getting back into that. And they had a super sale. So they had, you know, jogger sets for $20. And of course they had separates as well. So I got a few different things in a few different colors and a mask. Really excited to get these because especially when it's getting colder, definitely want to have your fleece on standby so you have something comfortable to work out of. And then what I picked up from Shein was this rib dress, very Kendall Jenner-esque. I don't know how much I'll be able to wear it since it's going to get really cold, but I thought it was super versatile. I did size up in this to a size 4 just because I had a bad experience ordering a dress from here before in a size 2, and this thing was so small. And then picked up this bodysuit. I'm really into graphic, loud, printed items. This one's a little bit sheer, but I love the color scheme. Also, I die at these models. Like, they're so dramatic. Like, I would never look like that wearing this bodysuit. Anyway, picked up this top. I've actually been eyeing this top for a while. I really like the detailing at the bottom. And I thought that'd be kind of cute, kind of cool. Again, with the sheer printed vibe. Mock neck, perfect for fall. Last top, I'm actually really excited for this top. It is not winter friendly, but it's cute. Also, again, dramatic models, but I thought it would look so cute with a black tank underneath, some jeans, similar to how she has here, but obviously more denim. And then I got this top, which probably didn't need, but again, told you I'm really high on that graphic trend. And I think this will be very similar to the tie-dye top that I purchased recently. I'll leave the haul of that above so you can see it. Here is my lineup for tonight's dinner. We're making chili. I've got black beans, some diced tomatoes, sweet corn, jalapenos, whole green chilies, a red pepper, and then I have a green pepper, ground turkey, sour cream cheese, all that good stuff in the fridge as well. So excited to make that tonight. All right, we got the meat mixture, onion mixture, garlic mixture going, and I have this bowl with 3 jalapenos, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, and 1 can of whole green chilies. Should be really good. And then I'm also adding some salsa verde and some of this Cholula hot sauce to the meat. It most likely won't make a huge difference, but it'll give the meat a little bit of flavor before we add the tomatoes. And how could I forget my corn and black beans ready to go? Something good about canned is that it's so frickin' easy. Chili is done, and I put them out in bowls. We've also got some tortilla chips to dip, sour cream, and some Colby Jack cheese. Oh wait, do you want some onions on top? No. Okay, never mind. For dessert, I'm trying out these pumpkin donut muffins. We got the cinnamon version last time, and my boyfriend picked these up, and I'm really excited to try. Live taste test. Whoa. Tough. The maple ones were definitely drier. These ones are definitely more doughy. The pumpkin flavor is really good. It's subtle.